Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's story guys, I'm going to show you how to use Cloud Code without coding experience. The good news is that you don't need to be a professional developer to use Cloud Code. You can interact with it using plain English, describe what you want to build, and let Cloud help with the technical details. Here's an example. Here, I have asked Cloud Code to actually manage to create for me a simple app to track my daily routine, diet, and workouts. And I want to have a dashboard in modern style. Now, with simple coding, it gave me this result. So let me just open it here. As you can see, the application is not really that insane. It's not really that great, but still, with these things, as you can see, it's pretty much insane. With no knowledge in coding, no background with development, this is really good for me. And for example, here I can add my diet, add my breakfast, I can log a meal. As you can see here, food name, for example, bananas. And here, let's call it breakfast. Calories, for example, 100, log meal. And here we have 100 calories added to our daily calories that we need to eat. So we didn't really code anything in here, guys. We literally just talked in plain English what we wanted from the app, and it delivered. There is everything that I need, from the menus, the routine, workouts, and it's got the style that I wanted, even though the style could be better. So in case you wanted something else or something to be upgraded, you can literally say it's very bad looking, unorganized, and collapsing, and the AI should be making new application or update the application for you so it can become much better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you simply have to talk plain English, whatever language you want, and the AI should deliver. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.